Hello and welcome to a Gashat DX Gashat review of, I think I'm pronouncing this right, Girigiri Chambara, the Samurai Gashat. This is level 3 for the Kamen Rider Lancer, the bike guy. He just got it this Sunday actually. Last Sunday, which is the start of this week, so it's this Sunday. Oops. Standard Gashat box, whole video game style thing going on. Here's the top of the box. Bottom. And bottom, the side of the box, the back of the box, and it's a standard sort of video game style boxing with the name on the side. Inside there, here is the instruction sheet. I'm just going to focus on now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And as always, the Gashat is packaged in a little plasticky tray. They're just going to pop out, and there's a little white tag, key-shaped tag for the battery below. And I've already scanned the QR code for this, so you're not stealing this one. That Mighty Action X QR code was scanned by someone on YouTube, I guess, and stole it. Damn it. Oh well, I guess not too bad. It's just like a collection sheet. For now, maybe, but who knows in the future. And yeah, as always, the level 2 stuff has this big wide back here to cover up almost all of the reflection and stuff. So you can't really combine level 3 stuff with other ones. For example, Geki Goes to Robot. This one also has a big white thing covering all of it up, so you can't. Light doesn't really shine through when you have these, which I kind of get why they've done that, but also a little bit of a shame that I can't combine them and do some crazy dancey samurai thing going on. Oh well. Here's got a look at the art design. Looks pretty good. Yeah, like all these standard numbers and logos and icon stuff they do on all of these. And on the side here you have Girigiri Chambara, the name of the game card, I guess. Yes, I scanned this game card, so you're not scanning it. And battery back here and stuff. So you got the 1, 2, 3 buttons, and here we go. So this is a black Gashat, and there's no metallic sort of. Well, there's a little bit of glitter in here, just like all the other ones, but not. The black plastic hides most of the glittery effects. White light. So you see that. Oops. There's the light. So let's get the gamer driver, a very bulky thing, and stick this in. I'm going to stick it in level 1 first. This does not happen in the show. The same sound as you get in all the other ones, and there we go. So, yeah, the art there is pretty nice. I like it. I like it a lot. The little white light there. Let's do it again. Okay, level 3 slot. And we'll do the standard combination that we see in the show. Oop. You see that the level 3, this Gashat's design is specifically designed to fit with Lancer, the bike rider. Because if I was to insert someone else's, we'll say Mighty Action X. You get the flames on the side, but you can't really see the horns and design. Same goes with Bang Bang Shooting and Title Quest. So that's a thing. And we'll get the final attack slot, the holder, right here. Let's get that in. So you get the Kaishin Hepatu sound if you wait 3 charges before pressing that button. I don't have any weapons, but I'm going to do the weapon sounds anyway. Which happens by holding down 3 buttons all together and then letting go one of the buttons. So you get the fire attack has a lot of samurai sword slashing sounds, which is appropriate. This whole thing is this one's okay. I like the rider form a lot more than the Gashat this time. I like the whole this samurai armor thing. It's very bulky, but almost like a robot, but still looks very articulated and movable. The Gashat itself, it's pretty cool, I guess. It's not really compatible with anyone else. I mean, the sounds are, but the design when it lights up inside the belt, it's only really compatible with Bosok bike from Kamen Lancer. I think I'm saying that wrong, but oh well. Anyway, the bike guy. So in terms of compatibility with other toys, which is the whole gimmick of these things, having compatibility with each other, it's not that good. So if you're only playing these for the belt itself and you're not too bothered about show accuracy or things that happen in the show or anything else, then this is an easy skip, I believe. The weapon does look pretty nice. That this one released at the same time is a sort of, it's like a bow that splits into 2 little mountain blades, like mountain climbing blades. That's kind of cool, but so you may want to get that. If you get that, then you want to get this to plug into it, but otherwise you probably skip this one if you're not really bothered about collecting every single Gashat out there. So subscribe, suggest, and comment below, and of course take care and have a nice day. Bye bye.